Well, I came to the city. I was running from the past. My heart was bleeding, and it hurt my bones to last. Stayed in the city, no exception to the rules, to the rules. He was born to love me. I was raised to be his fool, Lord, his fool. Walk that line, torn apart. Gotta spend your whole life trying. Ride that train and free your heart. It's midnight up in Harlem. Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you very much for joining. Today we're going to go over one of my absolute favorite songs, Midnight in Harlem, Tedeschi Trucks Band. If you've never heard this song, I'm not sure what you're doing with your life. I would urge you to, as soon as you're done with this video, go look this up. I'll link one below. Definitely go listen to the song. It's absolutely amazing. So we're going to break this down. I'm breaking this down in open E. This is the tuning that Derek Trucks plays it in. Now he usually finger picks it, but it's the same chord progression. I just like strumming it if I'm playing it by myself and trying to sing along. So yeah, we're going to break all this down for you. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell for notifications. And if you're returning, you already know. Let's go ahead and hop in. All right, guys, this is just an amazing song. Now there is a way you can play the song in standard tuning. I'm pretty sure that Susan is playing in standard. Derek is definitely playing in open E. So for open E tuning, if you haven't played around with it before, it's actually pretty fun, pretty great tuning. So you definitely will want a tuner for it because it's just a little odd. But so it's E, B, E, G sharp, B, and E. So really all you're changing, your A string is going to, go to a B, your D goes to an E, and your G goes to a G sharp. Everything else will stay the same. And it just lets you play that open E. The intro and the verse, so the intro piece, so we're going to start here. Okay, and really because of the open tuning, it makes things for the most part, very easy to play, with the exception of the stretch here. But we'll get to that. So we start, just strum open, and then you're going to put your index finger, 2nd fret of that A string, and middle finger, 2nd fret of the B. So, okay, and then from here, just slide that down. So now you're on the 4th fret, and you come back up, and then the second time through, you slide down to the 5th fret there. So that first part, and no singing's happening yet. Okay, and then we'll go right back again. But this time we're going straight from the 4th fret to the 5th fret. Okay, and then we have and again, that stretch is a little difficult. I'm fortunate to have biggish hands and somewhat of a small guitar. So the way I'm playing that here, so barring that 5th fret, and then my pinky finger is going to the 9th fret of the B. So, and then we're so from the 9th fret to the 7th fret on that B, and that'll happen twice. And back here. And this is the verse progression here. And so on this part of the verse, what I'm doing here when I'm trying to do an up strum on this B before I go to the 7th fret. So just to hit that little feel there. So that's the verse progression, and then you've got the chorus, which is so it's an A. We're pretty much staying on this A for a little bit. Okay, so that A again, we're just barring the 5th fret here. That's your A. You're gonna do that 3 times. If you're playing this by yourself and you're trying to kind of play it along with the song, or if you're trying to sing along with it, if you think of this first time that you're strumming it, if you think of the backing vocalists that are singing, right? So they're doing "Ride That Train," and then Susan comes in behind it, right? So I like to think of that strum there as the background, and then ride that train and free your heart. It's midnight up in Harlem. But either way, so you're on this A, you're going to hit that. It's going to be 3 times. Okay. This chord here, G sharp minor. We are so we've got on the 4th fret here, middle finger is on the 4th of the D, ring is on the 4th of the B, pinky is on the 4th of the E, and then you've got your index finger here on the 3rd of that G, and that'll give you your G sharp minor, and then from there just back to the E. Okay, so one more time there. In that chorus, we'll play through the chorus twice. So the first time through, I do kind of like to do that little run at the end. And all we're doing there, so this is all on the B. So we're doing an open hammer onto the 2nd fret and pull off there. And then we're starting our slide here on the 5th fret of the B, down to the 9th there, back to the 5th there, and then another hammer on pull off there. So okay. Okay, so the only other section here outside of the jam is the little bridge section here. Streets are windy and the subway's closing down. Gonna carry this dream to the other side of town. Which leads you back into the chorus there. So we're playing there. Playing that A again. Streets are windy. So we're playing that A again. To a G sharp, which is just moving, obviously, A. G sharp just moving up 1 fret there, so now you're barring the 4th fret. So A. So what I'm doing there, so we're going back to, which I believe in open E, this is a C sharp minor. But this is what we've been playing this. We've been playing this chord during the verses. So we're going there, and then open, so they're E, and then back to the A. So it's A, G sharp, C sharp minor, E, A. Okay, and then it goes back to the chorus. Alright guys, this is how you can play Midnight in Harlem in open E. I hope this helps you guys out. Please leave me feedback, comments below, and I will see you guys again soon.